Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Master Matt Gaming here, and today we are back with YouTuber's Life. And I remember on the last episode we moved out, we hit 50,000 subscribers, and we hit 1,000,000 views. So a lot happened. What we're gonna do right now? Oh, right now we have to go to some movies so we can hire a collaborator. If any person invites us to the movies, we will go, because if we can do that, then we could we can get a collaborator to work with us. So right now we're just gonna make a quick video. Loading screen with advice, serious comments. You overcame a hard challenge. Celebratory comments. Yeah, what cringe. Anyways, okay. So you passed the rival with ease. What am I lacking? Yeah, professional comments. Game intros. It doesn't have it. Sarcastic. Could be sarcastic, sure. First game learning how to play Murderous Look. And you're gonna stop the camera. Okay, so see what we can do with this. Oh yeah, just get these. Find the trend you see too much. Oh, we can interview people now. Hope that will give us a lot of you know, like views, probably. What do we have here? Maybe it's not going to be the best video, but I think it's going to be okay. It's okay. It's not bad. Not good either. That's a pretty good video, I guess. Background. Oh, our computer's breaking. Fade to black. Adjust. Some soft focus. Quickly, what I've learned is, if you don't repair your computer, I probably told you this in the last episode, but if you don't remember, is that if you don't repair quickly, you will have to replace the computer, which is a pain. But, you know, sleep and then eat a hamburger. Wow, Fluffy. Well, I just want to see, are any of my games going down? I don't remember. Is Fluffy going down? Fluffy's going down. So Fluffy. And so is Call of Fury. I have to buy some new games. What we're going to do is, we're going to start a course. I'm going to just start all the courses that just have one day. Just one day. So, study that course. Study one course at a time. So, we start at 7 hours on May 8th. Let's see on May 9th if we're going to finish at 7 hours. If you can see on the bottom right, my phone, it says May 8th, and then now it says 13 hours. But let's see if it says May 9th, 7 hours, because that's when we started. Since it says one day, is it going to be exactly a day? Is it not going to be? Fluffy Hippo's doing okay, though. Even though it's going down, it's going pretty good. Got 1,000 subscribers from that, so it's pretty good. So right now, okay, it's about to become May 9th. And it's May 9th, okay. And now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, continue. Okay, an hour later. It's fine. Hour later. It's cool. Okay. What we gotta do now is... Wait, just, funny greeting, sure. What we're gonna do now is... May 9th, right? So, we're gonna search up a good game that we can buy and then play. May 6th, May 4th. May 9th. Because if I buy it, serving that you stumble on, watch how the person you know ignore. Yes, 10% more subs. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to sell Call of Fury for $7, sure. And now work and sure, be a salesperson. And then when we come back, okay, wait, open this, open. No, I missed it. Sure. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sleep, then eat a hot dog, then we're gonna make a new game on Hindu Valor Smugglers. Please don't tell me it's just starting to go up, because if it's going down, I'm gonna be so mad. What's good is they're ecstatic, so that means they're very happy that I'm a good YouTuber, which is good. Maybe, I don't think in this video we're gonna hit 100,000 subscribers, but I'm gonna make you guys a promise. We will hit 75,000 subscribers in this video. Michaela, if you don't... Who cares? Go away, Michaela. I didn't even know you existed. Cutscene, I don't have it. Sure. I don't care. Epic game. Happy expression. Loading screen with device. Serious comments. Okay. Careless walking, murderous look. Nope. Interactive loading screen. Sarcastic comment. What else do we have here? You overcome an easy challenge. Professional comment. And loading screen with device. Off topic comment. And just stop the camera. Okay. So, what are we gonna do now? What are we going to do now? Start this off. Maybe if we go like this, then do that, and then we do that, and then we do this, this, and that. What a vid! What a vid. Grade color, soft focus, some background music, and some sure. We have plenty. Oh, and we can add some more. Great. Now while that is there, we're gonna start a course. We're just gonna do the ones that are days. Go through the ones that are days. What we're gonna do now is maybe basic sound editing. So it starts at 17. We started at May 12th, and then I think it was 17 or 18. So are we going to go close to there, or are we not? That's going to be the question. And after that, we are going to just take a sleep, and then we'll see how hungry we are from there. So we have 65K subscribers. What I'm going to do is I'll probably get 75K subscribers, maybe 80K, but I'm not going to try to get 100K today, guys. Maybe in the next episode or the episode next after that, then I'll get 100K subscribers. And I'll get the silver play button. So you know what? Since that was such a good video, I'm going to hashtag promote it. I'm going to promote this. Promote it. Lots of you guys said that promoting it gives you more views, and since I had no reds, perfect time to promote it. Please tell me I was at like 80, right? Is it going up? Yes! Yes, baby! Woo! Yes! So what we're gonna do, yes, it was just going up on the up. So I promoted it with hashtag. That's the best thing I could do. So I promoted it with hashtag because it had no reds, and I thought I was gonna do this. I was gonna do it in this video, but this was the perfect time since it had no reds. So, and I'm about to finish my basic sound editing course. There you go. Go. Sorry, Sure, Carla. Sure. And so I've gotten $60 from this game. $60. Eat a salad. And we'll record another gameplay with Hindu Valkyrie Smuggler. Bro, we almost got $100 from Hindu Smuggler. Look at that. 92k views, 93k. We're gonna get 100k views on this game. Loading screen. Off topic comments. You found an Easter egg. Happy comment. Main menus. Sarcastic comments. Nope. Careless walking. Murderous look. Nope. Summary of the game. Unfunny comments. Epic game. Celebratory comments. Sure. Cutscene. Funny comments. And just stop the camera. So our next job is to hire a collaborator and make 5 videos with our collaborator. First, we need someone to invite us to a movie so we can actually do that. We're gonna have some reds, but it's not that bad. And there you go. We don't really, video editing is our highest one, so we don't really need it. Request from friend, sure. Time out. I don't know if we have it. You know what? Screw it. Please tell me you have Honey Play Studios. Oh no. While it happens, I think this is the last 1-day course. Do that while Hindu Valkyrie is, we don't have it, do we? Go shopping right after this. Right after. So you have to buy the console and then do a first impressions. And by the time, that's going to take a long time. Oh, is that our new best video? I want to know. Is that our new best video? Hindu Valkyrie Smuggler. Yeah, it is! Our best video. Got $150 from that and 8k subscribers. Wait, we're at 75k. Whoa, that was quick. That was actually really quick. Oh my god, all 3. You know what? I'm promoting it. Screw it. I am promoting it. As long as we get our money back, it's fine, you know? We got 8k from subscribers from that. I'm going to promote it again. You know what? I'm going to pause the course. Just Just for right now. I'll continue it later. But right now, I just need to buy the Honey Play Studios 2. That's the one console we don't have. Are you serious? No. No time for sleep. Continue course while it comes in. Sure. Okay, stop course. Don't chat. Sleep. Salad. And first impressions on this new game. Come on, bro, wake up! You got 84 hours. 84 hours. 82 hours. If you can. Bro, how does this guy take hours just to walk from his bed to his fridge? Come on. Let's go. Chop. Move it. Move your legs. Wave hello. Sarcastic comments. I'm just trying to go quick here. Look, see, it doesn't need to be that good of a video. I can just say, right? I can just say that it's what's the name? I can't think of it right now. I'm just like, I just need to focus and get this done with. What am I trying to, it's a sponsored video, yeah. So they won't actually think they won't think it's my fault if it's a bad video. They'll just think it's not that good of a game, you know? Wave goodbye. Okay. Come on, chop. Walk faster, run fast. We have 54 hours. I gotta make sure it's not over 54. Yes, that's only like 19, right? Yes, we'll get it. Yay, we'll do it. Just finish this final course. Just complete it. We got 10K. That's our new best one, I think. See, like, I don't really think this is good, but it's okay, you know. So we'll get it under the deadline. This is good. We got 10K subscribers from one vid. Yeah. So everything else is 2 days or more, right? Yep. Let's start working on the 2-day ones. Music outro. You know, since we can't really do much, let's just be a salesperson for 8 hours. And we'll get some money. How much money will we get if we complete it? No. We got 210. We got 200K views and 10K subscribers from one video. That's so cool. So much money. Sure. And eat a hot dog. And then we had 75K subs. Oh, new best video. Hello. Do your current phone company? I'm sure you don't. My mom is offering you a faster internet. You only have to reject. Yes. I did good there. This card. Okay, cool. I'm technically supposed to be making. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna trust this guy. And I'm gonna see what it's like if he does automatic. Well, let's see. That's just for making more likes. I don't really care about that. Share all to your followers need about the latest review. Collab. Walkthrough. Collabs are like hard. You know, I'm gonna get walkthrough. Just because collabs are like hard to like. Just because collabs you have to get a person, and if they don't get there fast enough, then you just like lose and stuff. And like maybe like your sponsored thing wants you to do a collab. So and also we have a thing called Step by Step, and that's with the walkthroughs. So well then, perfect, I guess. Perfect. So we just gotta wait for this guy to finish. What like? I'm confused. See, why if we do automatic, he's standing up. But, like, it looks like when we are actually doing it, he's sitting down. When we're not doing automatic, he sits down. So weird. Guys, we hit 100K subscribers. We're about to. No, guys, we hit 100K subscribers. 100K. What? I thought this was hard. Oh my god, these two videos are doing so well. Like, seriously, they're doing so well. Wish I promoted it. Publish video, just publish it. I'm gonna just take a quick work. You know, just whatever. Just anything to pass the time. Sleep. Greeting with impression and just spaghetti. See, I want to promote it, but I feel like it's too late, so. Man, we're about to hit 100K. And Lethal Midget did so well. And that's kind of me what I'm saying, but I'm just reading the title, so no one be offended. And we have $1,000. This is going great. So it's not doing the best when he starts it. Right now, what I'm going to do is do some basic video editing, sure. So right now, we're about to hit 100K subscribers. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to hit 2 million views. 2 million views in this video. Bro, literally, this was easy. I'm so glad I picked this video, and I'm so glad someone sent me Lethal Midget. Because those did so well for me. I am so glad I made the right choice. Lethal Midget, bro. Lethal Midget's my best. Yep, Lethal Midget is officially my best one. I got $200 from that too. And I'm about to hit 100K subscribers. Wait, how come the thing is why is, like, if you go on the bottom left, it says most watched. Why do you want 2.50 million? Why isn't it 2 million and then 2.50 million? That doesn't make sense. But it's whatever. Hindu Valkyrie right now is about to hit, let me just see that 100K right now. We're about to pay our bills, so we'll pay like $320. So once we pay all our bills in like 6 days, we'll still have $800, which is a lot. So we are doing very good. Yeah, see, like when he does it automatically, he has to have high levels, because if he doesn't have high levels, it just doesn't do anything. We are so close. They are teasing us. They are teasing us. They are teasing us right now. What? Hindu Valkyrie, just go. You got this, bro. You know, pause. We have to hit 100K. That's just teasing us. They teased us. 99,840. They're teasing us. We gotta complete that now. Main menu, sarcastic comments. Nope. You start decorating a little house. Happy expression, sure. Game intro scene, funny comments. Oh, please tell me she wants to go to the movies, because then I can go get a collaborator. First game learning how to play Murderous Look. Sure. Serious comments. And carelessly walking, singing comments? I don't know. And off-topic comment, sure. She's just standing in the corner of my video. Yep. Thought I'd click that. 4 new cards. Okay. Let's continue the course after this. Finish the course, and then we can do whatever she wants. You know, I'm just gonna do it, whatever. Just because it gives me a lot of... No, go back, it's off focus. Do we have enough? Oh yeah, and I can add some more script. Nintendo DS invitations to the movies. Yes, I will go. No, we need to go now. We need to go now, pal. 238. What we're going to do is you're going to go to the movies. Go to the event. And then we'll make this walkthrough. We're going to... New gaming video. Straight to it. Walkthrough. I need to see people's profile. Roy. No. This kid. Omar. No. Any of these? No. I just want someone that's good. Please tell me I'm going to find someone, right? You're not going to tell me I'm just going to come here for nothing, right? Just want any person. Ooh. Okay. She'll be an option. Time out. Is anyone better? Anyone better? This is the final guy. Fisher. Is there any person over here? Wait, let me just pose for press real quick. Yep, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You can get out. You're not famous enough. What? Bro! Okay. Right now we just talk about films. Sure. Yeah, Iron Man's a great movie, isn't it? Talk more about films. Talk more, even more about films. I just need you as a collaborator, okay? That's cool, right? Yeah. I don't know what you like. Do you like music? Do you like fame? I don't know. Talk about Arrow. I know everyone likes talking about Arrow. Even though they have no idea what it is. Everyone likes talking about Arrow. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I won't talk about fame. Don't worry. I'm not going to talk about fame. Don't worry. Just talk about Arrow. That's all you need to do. And, what else can we do? I don't know. Do you like games? I don't know. There were no good options there. All I know is that they love talking. People just talk about Arrow, films, Arrow, films, and the yacht and people. So hopefully it's the one coming up right now. Oh my God, she likes games. Oh, phew. Yeah, and the yacht. Everyone likes talking about the yacht. Everyone likes talking about Arrow. Everyone likes talking about Arrow. Yep. Mm-hmm. Come on, all we need to do is be friends, and then I can hire her. She's like the best one here. Come on, I need to talk about films. Come on. Talk about people. Everyone likes talking about people. I don't know why. They just like talking about people. Talk more about people, sure. Alright, blah, 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 blah. Now, chop. Talk about people. I think that should be it, right? Maybe one more? One more, maybe? And Oh, no, don't talk about people. Stop talking! Well, that's the first person I've met that doesn't like talking about people. There's nothing here, just... I don't know. Wait, will that do it? Just talk about Arrow one more time just to make sure. Yeah, we're friends. Now, see profile? Come on, please tell me. Are you serious? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Why do we not have it? Why? Talk about Arrow. Talk about games. Do we just need to be full on green? Are you serious? Do we really need to fill that up? Talk about games. Sure, keep talking. Just keep talking, pal. Come on, Mateus. Just keep talking to whatever that... I have no idea how to pronounce that name. Talk about films. Just wait till that goes away. And talk about games. Talk about films. Talk about films. Yeah, sure. Oh my god. Time out. Look, do you see this person right here? The one that's drinking. She's got like a glasses with the nose on. Bro, talk about the yacht. We're not gonna ask her out on a date. She wants to be our collaborator. For low price, right? For low price. Please, I want it just low price, right? You're cheap, right? Mr. Krabs, right? You're cheap? If you're cheap, you can welcome aboard. Bro, this is taking so long. Hurry up. Talk faster. Talk about Arrow. Okay, almost there. Creep in there, please. Talk about films. Come on, chop, please. Please. Okay. Talk about the yacht. Come on, you're so close. Just talk faster. Talk about Arrow. Ness. Talk more about Arrow. You can talk about more. Oh, now they're giving the green things. Does that mean it's going faster? Please tell me it's going faster. I want it. Oh my god, they're hugging in the background. Okay, chop. Please, just let me hire you. I'll do one more talk and then I'll see if I can hire her. Okay, just let me do this final talk on Arrow. And then I want to see if I can hire her. No. Hire collaborator. Only $300. Yes, please. No, go away. You're not hiring her yet. Why are you sad? You're my collaborator. I'm a great boss. Yeah, you're my collaborator. Can't pause for press anymore. Enter hall. Enter hall. There you go. So we've got ourselves a collaborator. Sit down. We're going to leave immediately. Sit down so we can leave. We got a walkthrough to do. Wait, she can do the walkthrough. Yes! Perfect move. Great move. Don't tell me time has been taken out, though. If time's been taken out, I'm not gonna be that happy. No, yes. Yes. Walk through. Station 1, yes, just be my person. Do what I say, I command you. Continue to the course. Go. Go. No! What happened? No! Okay, just continue the basic video editing course. Finish this course, bro. No, I don't, but I don't want to. That's the thing, pal. We're about to hit 100K subscribers. I don't want to finish this video. Do I have to? Just go away. I don't want to create this video. I don't want to. Don't let me create this video. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. I mean, not leave the video here. I'm just going to leave that icon there. I'll never press play. I think once you log out of the app and go back in, all your little tabs will just go away. So I'll just leave it here till the end of the video. Bro, we've hit 100K subscribers. You know, in these events, I don't think too long before you hit 1,000 subscribers is that you will hit, no, Chop, you're making another video. You know, I'll just take that out, and there you go, and make a gameplay on this. Go. And serious greeting. So while she's making that, I will go sleep. Congratulations, you have reached 100,000 subscribers. Yeah! You have been invited to an event where you will give a prize for having some... Oh, yeah! Woohoo! After this course, we're gonna go. After this course, we're gonna sleep, and then we'll eat spaghetti. Well, come on, you can't be tired. You're going somewhere. Low and steady wins the race, pal. Just go to the event. Slug your way. Yeah, and we completed that too. Why do I need to get a copyright thing? We're going there. Welcome to the YouTube Awards ceremony for the best YouTubers of the time. That's me, of course. Yeah. Please give a clap for Mateus for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Woo! Round of applause. Woo! Yeah! You're the best! Woo! Yeah! Congratulations for this award, and let's hope that you keep being successful as a YouTuber. I would like to thank my mom, my collaborator, and my sick computer. You're just gonna leave? I'm not done with my speech. Oh, well done. Your clapper has completed the video. Now we can decide whether to upload or not. Okay, cool. Actually, she hasn't finished the video. For your information. Why are we like just out of food? Okay. Ready? There you go. Yeah. Sure. We're about to pay our rent, but which is fine. What? No, I don't want to. We're gonna do this and easy peasy just get that out and about. Hamburger. What we're gonna do is start a course. What's a 2-day course? Basic photography. Paid $80 for that. Okay, so we just paid our month's rate. We still have $800, which is a lot. Which is a lot, though. That's a lot of money, and we still have $800, and we just got $100 back. We almost have $1,000 now. And with these, we are definitely gonna have $1,000 now. And I think after this course, we are just going to. After this course, I'm gonna leave it here. We hit 100,000 subscribers. Oh yes, I just realized we've hit 2 million views, 100,000 subscribers. We went to our award ceremony. We've got our first collaborator. We are doing great so far. And so right now, what is our ranking on YouTube? I know we have 100,000 subscribers. We're still last place. How much is he in front of us by? He is in front of us by like 40K. Can we join a network right now? No? Can we not join a network? Network. You can't even join a network yet. Oh, you have to be in the luxury apartment. Are you serious? Okay, so we just we've hit $1,000 again. See, it wasn't even that good of a game, but hey, as long as it's sponsored and we get $200, $300, I'll do it. Just call me up. Okay, so I think by the time she does the last video on Lethal Midget, you have an email. Your last video might be short. No! We still have 100K subscribers though. It's fine. We just lost 10,000 because we made a wrong decision. That's what I kind of don't like about this game. But at the same time, I kind of like it because if I make the right choice, sometimes I gain subscribers. But if I make the wrong choice, I lose subscribers, which is kind of stupid. But I actually like when I gain subscribers too. $200 from that game. So now we have $1,250. So, we're doing great. I'm going to finish this course. How do you say her name? I'm going to see if I can try this out. Wait, if I go to YouTube. Now, if I go. I don't know how to say it. Wait, time out. If I just click this. Aerosol, I think it is. Aerosol. Aerosol. I'm going to call her Aerosol. My collaborator's name, I don't know how to say it. Just call her Aerosol. Aerosol, welcome to the team. So once Aerosol just finishes this video, I finish my course. I think I'm going to leave it here. We're leaving off with almost $1,300. So she's just going to finish this. I'm going to finish basic photography. Right now, basic photography, and okay, we've done it now. Okay, now, Carly, I can't do this right now. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it here. So what we did today? Got another recap. Got 100,000 subscribers. 2 million views. By the next episode, I think we can complete the next two. Maybe. I know we're going to complete the 2.50 million views. I'll try to complete the 1,050K subscribers. I might. And if that means we'll be second to last on YouTube if we complete that. Oh yeah, we're doing great. Anyways, guys, if you liked it, leave a like on that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.